very good morning to all my lovely teachers. It gives me immense pleasure to greet and wish you on this Teachers' Day on behalf of the entire management of KVM Public School. At KVM, we celebrate Teachers' Day every year because we value you and deeply appreciate your commitment to teaching and to the children of our institution. Teaching is one of the noblest professions in the world. I personally believe there is no substitute to quality education because it helps in changing the lives of thousands of individuals and their families forever. More importantly, it is most critical to the growth of the developing nation like India. I wish to take this opportunity to thank you for your individual contribution to the institution over the years. Once again, I would like to wish each one of you a very happy Teachers' Day. May God bless you with the strength to achieve greater personal and professional growth in the years to come. Wish you all a very, very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
शुक्रिया 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 आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत आपके समर्पण को सलाम शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया
हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया, माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया।
शुक्रिया 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 आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत आपके समर्पण को सलाम शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया
हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया, माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया।
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया
To all the teachers we